Hello everyone, welcome back to the one trade. Yeah, we blow the account 2 weeks ago and some personal events. So now I'm returning. Let's back to trading. Um, the, Today is December the 2nd, 11 a.m. PST. So looks like we don't miss anything. It looks like this is a choppy day. This is based on trading warrant. This is market open and market open like 100 around 100 range 100 point range and expanding and triangle reverse triangle and break down to a new lower low. So this is confusing. Like it feels like you're gonna go down, but if you look at ES, that's more understandable. This is still the whole market today is consolidating. So we need to look at bigger time frame. For consolidating, and for the sideway market, then the only way to trade is like at the boundary. At the upper bound, we look for the downward covering candle. At the lower bound, we look for the upward covering candle. When it's in the middle, something like this, no trade. Yeah, even it looks like, hey, this is a partial sideway, and it looks like ES is breaking out, so NQ should follow. No trade because the whole day is a sideway. So as we say, during a sideway market, anything can happen in the middle. The smart money can make any setup that trap you. Let's see, 5. That's correct. Trend line. Boom. Oh, how come? So it's not easy to check the NQ something. So we can check. Oh, what's going on? Right? Okay. It looks like there are some updates for the software. Yeah, it's breaking out to the ground, but be patient because we will see it gets rejected somewhere here. So we will see how it behaves. But this is NQ. So what about ES? It's breaking out and something. We would like to see 30 minutes. On 30-minute chart, it's breaking out to the above. It looks like it's breaking out. It's breakout. This is sideway breakout to the upside, and now it's something like breaking. Oh, so we should. So this is like retest to previous resistance, and now it should be a support. So somewhere support here. We should go long after we see the engulfing candle. Go long here and keep going up. It has already in the middle. So it's probably like shorter and shorter. If it reverses to the downside at this time, I will not be surprised. CES is getting rejected. So I'm not sure. Look, wait for the completion of this candle. Yeah, stick to 5 minute chart for the entry opportunity. Okay, ES is only like retest FVG and showing down. For NQ is like almost the same. We will need to wait for the compression. It looks like the ES would like to go down something. The overall theta is a little bit down, while NQ is trying to break to the sky. C is already reached the previous high, and while NQ is only FVG. ES is only FVG. So for 3 minutes, sometimes I need to check 3 minutes, and this is like, okay, breakout. And this is like retest. So at this time, I cannot go short here because this is like breakout and going up. But here is the resistance. So see this candle. Wait for the compression of this 5-minute chart. This is still in the middle. This is previous high. So when can we go short? It's like we see the downward covering candle around here, or maybe here. Then we see, okay, the sideway market continues for the whole day. So when can we go long? It obviously break out to the previous range. Okay, this is a start. We'll see this one. It looks like okay, it gets resisted. We'll see if we can enter into the trade. There's a valid resistance, and it's not covering the previous one because the previous one is too big. But we see ES retest to FVG and get resisted, something like this. So we'll see. Oops, that pushback. Oh, we got into a trade. See if if this ENA9 is very defense. If it is, it can continuous breakout. We will exit the trade immediately. Yeah, because I think I got a clear signal to get rejected here, ES and NQ, but so trying to sell at the peak is a little bit risky because you don't get enough signal, then this is the peak. Chances are that it continues to break out. So if it breaks out to here, then we need to quit the trade. It looks like the downward candle is not obvious. It's not that strong. It's not good. It's not good for sellers. Looks like, yeah, this is a typical pattern, sideway and continue upward, but this is already a critical price level. Let's see. Mm. Now, ES and NQ are almost on the same page, so we can check. Okay, ES check 5 minute and NQ check 3 minute. And see, they are at the same range. Looks like buyers are still want to push up. That's not good. But never use reverse. As we learn a lot of lessons. Even the 3 minute shows that okay, it's gonna resume the upward journey. But 5 minute chart still shows a weakness. It's still like very resistance. So we stick to this trade. We stick to the short position. Oh, okay, another candle for 3 minute. Continue to push up. This is not good. It could be the small sideway. Look at yes, it's still like triangle sideway adjust. So this could be interpreted as accumulate power and keep going up. Well, for triangle, it's possible that breakout is towards the uptrend, reduce the original direction, or the downtrend. I mean the reverse. So nobody knows. So guess what? I should quit the trade whenever it retests to somewhere I'm feeling comfortable and wait for the breakout. Oh, for 5 minutes, it does not show any downward. So maybe I just enter into a trade too quick. Look at 5 minutes, it's still like accumulating power and going to the top. And we see a valid defense on ENA9. That's not good. Now on 5 minutes, see, it's still defense. It does not exist. It does not exceed the previous high here at 844. Of NQ is trying to break out. It was once break out the previous top, but it does not break here. Previously they get rejected here. So we'll see. We just enter into a trade too soon. But who knows if it goes straight directly going to the button, then we will, hey, we enter into trade too late. Oh, it gets back. Yeah, retest. It gets rejected. Double, triple, triple top. It gets rejected. Nice, nice. Cover the previous upward candle. And 5 minute, it shows the downward covering. I want to see it breaks out. The ENA 21 that confirms the downtrend. This is sideway. So what I see is like the new boundary becomes here and here, or maybe here I should make some conservative take profit somewhere here. Yeah, for ES it's somewhere here. It's like triangle. If we draw the trend line, oh, how do I? So this looks like two triangle, something like that. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. This time the range is not big, so it's actually not a good something. There is no good risk reward ratio. Hmm. Trend line. See, this is just back retest. Does not mean the downtrend continues. And even it continues, then I can expect only this one. Like goes to here. 542. Okay, cover the downward candle cover in 5 minutes. Let's see ES. For NQ. Oh, NQ is also 3 minutes. Oh, it was previously here, so we should set the limit order more conservative, somewhere like at the previous top. Let's see if it gets defense, if we can break out the ENA 9. This is like choppy. So realistically, we can set the boundary here. Let's see. Yeah, this is like sideway. And overall, if we look at 30 minutes, overall is going up, going up. So this is downward sideway, and maybe if the breakout is on a big time frame, the breakout is to the top. Hmm. So we'll see. Cannot be greedy on this trade because on the bigger time frame is upward. So Let's see. Let's not be greedy. Let's set the take profit here. Yeah, they get rejected here and get resisted here and get rejected here. This is the price level that a lot of people, buyer seller, are concentrated. So before they stop fighting, then we will probably like quit. But wait a minute, for ES it's already arrived at the trend line, get rejected, something like this. But ES, it got rejected. Okay, seller make another attack, another attempt to break out the trend line or to come close the trend line, push it downward. I expect there will be a little bit exist. That's something I feel like realistic, because realistically speaking, I mean the trend line should be covering the peak. Hey, yeah, this is the right trend line, so it should arrive the trend line at least. If it ends up to be downward. So it looks like on 5 minute chart, I go short at the peak of this, but no, I actually go short here. So suffer a little bit retest like here. I should set the limit stop somewhere in the previous something. It should be more conservative. Anyway, okay, coming close to the trend line. I guess I might probably take profit here because it gets rejected and it coming close to the trend line. Come on, I think this take profit is realistic, but I'm not sure if this goes back. This candle goes back, then I'll probably quit. Let's see 3 minute. Huh. It may retest, it may bounce back, because this is a sideway. To trade sideway is dangerous. Oh yes, going downward. To trade sideway is dangerous. You will never know if you are against the trend or not. Sometimes you see, okay, it's against the trend. But look at bigger time frame, then you are following the big trend. But look bigger time frame, you just realize that okay, it's not. You are against the trend. But look at another big, way bigger time frame and say, okay, I follow the trend. That sucks. And in 3 minutes, I'll probably like set up buy something here. This is my stop loss. If you bounce back, at least I secure this part of profit. Because I'm not sure. And with that being said, I can be more like aligned here. Oh, star. Engulfing. Let's see. Still, it can be accumulate power, but it can be reversed. So we need to set up the stop loss something right there to secure at least if it exceeds this one, then probably like it's reverse. We would like to be secure. protect our profit. But if it keeps going down, that's fine. Our end of the journey is here. Oh, it looks like it keeps going down, but not sure because ES is 5-minute ES is getting bounced back by the trend line. Hmm. From 5-minute, it looks like it's getting defended by this trend line, but from 3-minute, it said okay, it's also defended by yen and 9, bounce back to the Dow. So probably we'll see. Oh, it bounced back, kick us out of the trade. Hmm. Oh, we get kicked out. We get kicked out, so it ends up this is a trend line that kick it back. And for 5-minute, yeah, this is the trend line is defending. So the space is small enough, it's not worth any trade here. So we're gonna wait for the breakout. As I say, it's possible to break out to the top, to the upward or to the downward. We will see. Yeah, it keeps pushing back. We'll wait for the next setup. The NQ looks like triangle, stand up, upside triangle. But for ES, this looks like a little bit weird. This looks like regular. Buyer and seller try to expanding, but this is, I don't know. But at least we confirmed that this trend line is valid today. No worry. Oh, what's going? Okay. Yeah, okay, push back. And let's see. I mean, if the range is something like from here to here and from here to here, and that's worth trading. From here, okay, I can enter a short here and stop loss here, and take profit is setting something like here. But from here, we only have like 20 points or 10 points at the maximum. And the risk is something like this, but a profit space is not big. We know that it's sideways at the end. So just wait for the couple of last rounds. And we'll see the breakout and do a breakout pattern. Hmm. Oh, yes, it's not breaking out yet. Is our trend line is a little bit, yeah, it should be here. Then it does not exceed because we would like to see it exceeds this line. So we will count it as a breakout. But honestly, if we go long at this, then probably you will retest something because normally if the sideway, the consolidation is something like this, then chances are that you're gonna go to arrive at the peak, like the smaller and smaller of the range, and eventually get here. So yeah, so if you go, if you exceed a little bit and you think that's a valid breakout, and you go long from here, then take care. It could probably like retest to here. So smaller position as a risky entry or aggressive entry. I will wait. I will wait until it arrives here and then see where it goes. And yeah, it break out for so long. So the breakout, it consolidate for so long. So the breakout gonna be, well, I expecting at least this range. The consolidation biggest range. Yeah, I'm expecting something like this once it break out. So look at 30 minute. Oh, 30 minute, 30 minute. Oh, 30 minute is trying to break out to the top. This is a very resistance. So I'm not sure. And this is another. So I'm not sure. Okay, now it just covered. It just covered the previous like downward candle. Let's see. It looks like this trend line is valid. Every time it meets this trend line, it bounce back. Every time bounce back. But this is too far away, which shows the upward momentum is bigger and bigger. See, this exists. There's a little bit distance. This some more distance. Ideally, we go long here rather than here, because here is like almost a time to retest for the big on a bigger time frame. So it's a little bit risky to go long from here. Ideally, it's here. So we'll see. Okay, yes, arrive at the trend line. Let's see this candle. Mm. Only when it breaks out and close above this line, A44, then we think it's a breakout. Otherwise, see, it can be rejected pretty soon. The sideway consolidation continues. And so I intentionally, for NQ, I intentionally draw this trend line a little bit loose. I don't allow this peak closely. I realize that overall it's like something like this. This is a horizontal line. So I draw it here. It need to exist here or close above this line. Make sure it's a breakout. And the risky thing is like this is going to be huge. I mean, if you want to wait for the compression of this breakout candle, then it can be a huge, one single huge candle. Then it is almost the range of the breakout. Then you see, okay, it ends up to be a breakout, but it's almost the end of the chain. We cannot enter. So we'll see. Sometimes I don't want to wait for the compression of the candle. I just once I confirm, okay, it's great. There is a great momentum going to one direction, and it confirms to be a breakout. Then I just go in and set up the stop loss. But if I lost for that trade, I think okay, this is volatility. There are huge momentum to one direction and it ends up to be a fake breakout. Then it's volatility. This is not for me. The market is not for me. I just wait for quite a while for the next setup or for the market become stable. Okay, ES get rejected and trend line. Thank you. As I say, it's not worth risky to enter to go any trade here. For example, if I go short here, the stop loss is here and the take profit is only here. Range is so small. And it's not about, I mean, if you calculate the risk reward ratio, then it's big enough. See because if you enter here, then the stop loss is only here. So I can say 2 to 3 risk reward. So the reward will be 2 to 3 times of the risk. But it's just that you cannot expect the market, the price action take fully usage of the possible range. I mean, when the range is so small, then I only expect the price action to be half, like 0.6 of the range. So the reward space is at a great discount. So I want to see if I have something like some space like this big, from 4047 to 6 something, more than 100 point, then it's worth I try. Pushback. Okay, it looks like a pushback. Gets rejected. This is 5 minute. It gets rejected here and going up. Hmm. Do you break out? I guess I can just go long when it arrives at this trend line. And if I think it's gonna break out to the top, but the risk is that if you go upward, then I will miss the opportunity to get into a bigger trade. So don't try to pick the small profit. Bet on certainty. For 5 minutes, see, okay, it's sideways, cannot be pushed back, right? Look at 3 minutes. Okay, yeah, it's sideways. Something similar to here. It's still sideways, sideways, sideways. Uh, yeah, it should close above this line to prove to be a very breakout. Huh, what's going on? Hey, what's going on in this system? Oh my, oh my God. Okay, it should close about here to prove a valid channel. So it retests ENA9 again. If we go long from here, that's awkward. It's in the middle of this range. So we will, if we want to go long, like bet on the breakout direction to the upside, we will probably like go long around here at the trend line. RSI does not disclose anything. Oh, RSI divergence for ES 5 minute. Look, they are almost the same level, but the price level comes something, something, something. So does that mean that you're gonna go down? See for NQ, price level here. They are on the same level. They are on the same level. And price action on the same level, no divergence, but yes shows the divergence. Okay, it approach the trend line again. We'll see if it break out to the downside, but be careful because it can be bounce back here. Hmm. Because we see a RSI divergence, so chances are that it's gonna go downside. It get rejected by this. For yes, it's retest, multiple retests on FVG. On NQ, yeah, there is some FVG, a little bit FVG here, and but more FVGs here. But this is like FVG embedding FVG. This is another FVG, retest FVG, and something something. Somewhere out here, that's I can see huge FVG area. So it retest is sideways to refill all this order. That makes sense. So breaking out to the top to the down for ES, I will see. Will you break out? At least you need to close underneath this line. I will see you are trying to break out to the down. So see something here, it probably will bounce back and aggregate to the peak of this area and then finally break out. So I will not be rushed to go into a trend here. It looks like ES is trying to go upward. So I just get into a long trade here. Looks like ES is intending to go upward, and overall trend is upward. And as I say, if I want to bet upward, even it shows some like RSI divergence, I want to bet upward. Then I probably need to go into a long trade at the bottom of this trend line. So if it close underneath here, then I will exit this trade. But the stop loss space is not big. I can reverse into a short trade. It looks like I go into a trade too early. I need to wait until it really arrives at the trend line so that I get 4 more points. Damn. So we get pushback. Yes, get pushback. NQ get pushback. Great. But I see ES is trying to break out. It accumulates power around here, then the seller cannot push downward. And the ENA9 is the effective defense, performs effective defense. See, every time. And the ENA21. So it moves up. Um, for NQ, then something like this does not necessarily mean that the breakout direction is to the upside. But as long as I can tell, the ES is not a regular. It's not a regular like triangle at this time. It has a preference to the upside. So I bet NQ will follow. And overall, if you look at the 30-minute something, it is hour. It should arrive here. I hope so. Uh, oh, this is huge. Huge. Oh, yes. Currently is breakout, but let's see if it close above this line. Let's wait for the close. Wait for the compression. Oh, it get ejected. See if it continues sideways or if it continues sideways or something. But I will be patient for this trade because I think the breakout direction will be to the upside. Okay, the second 5 minute 5 minute chart, yes, the second thing starts. Let's see. Oh, it retest. That's not good. But it already break out this area. I just want to see that it's not fully close above this all this peak point. So not a great confidence at this time. But look at this candle. If it continues to upward and eventually close up above this previous high, then it confirms something. It confirms something. Okay, it break out. It starts to break out. So I will be conservative to set up the stop loss line here. Okay, breakout. At least it should arrive here. Keep going. So I'm not gonna set any take profit because from 30 minute, if this breakout continues, it could be here, or way above here. So I will use trailing stop loss on 5 minute chart. Or maybe 3 minute chart if you want to be more conservative. Okay, 3 minute chart. Oh, what's going on? I will use a 3 minute chart here. Yeah, breakout above this. So don't don't trail stop loss too tight because it's just breakout. As long as it's not a fake breakout in reverse, then we use the stop loss here to protect or to secure a profit from fake breakout. But as long as it's a real breakout, then it's just the beginning of the journey. Welcome on board. It's just the beginning of the journey. No worry, no hurry. See this candle? We're gonna break out here. If we consolidate for so long, then the breakout is to be, at least I'm expecting something like this. What's that? Five, okay, 500 to allow like 600, so 100 point. Okay, now it's 46 point. So half, only half. Mm. Oh, yes, it's trying to break out to the upside. It looks like for 5 minutes I go long at the bottom of this bullish candle. But there is some retest. I should be more patient to wait for here, reach the trend line and go long. Hey, you get rejected? Let me see if I should. Okay, look at this 3 minute candle. It feels like look at this 3 minute candle. If you want to trade closer, then you use the smaller frame, like 3 minute, to adjust your trading stop loss. If you have great confidence on the journey, you don't want to trade too close to avoid early kick out. Then you just use a bigger time frame, for example, 5 minute. So if this candle close as a downward candle, then I will not move the trading stop loss any closer. But if it ends up to be a green, to be a upward candle, then probably I will move my stop loss to somewhere here. We'll see. How for 5 minutes, it shows upward a little bit, which means seller cannot push back. Seller cannot push back. Yeah, for 5 minutes, it resumes the upward journey. Welcome on board. Okay. The downside is like around 0.6 of this overall candle. So this is a healthy retest. Hopefully it keeps going upside. Say if it exceeds something and even cover this, then you need to be careful. If it triggers our stop loss, then probably like it's a fake breakout or it's like liquidity sweep. It's gonna going down. So it's better we just exit, leave the trade. That's why we set the stop loss here. Even you just hey a deep retest something and trigger the stop loss and it keeps resuming the upside, then it's okay. At least we take this one. Oops, 5 minutes is not looking good. It's retest. It's retest. Still retest. So keep patient. As I say, it ends up to be a downside candle. So I'm not moving my stop loss any closer because the retest is not ending. I'll see where the retest ends. If this breakout like close above this line, like 637, then I see, okay, this retest is ending. Then I'll move my stop loss to here. Oh, we just Okay. The market maker hear me. He hear me. The movie too early, but it's already covering. Hit Brazil, and you should at least arrive here. So this is not a fake breakout. I mean, at least for now, I don't see it's a fake breakout. Mhm. Keep going up. Good job, market. So I will see ES gonna break out about this one and probably arrive here. Then that means NQ will break out this something. So I will not set up take profit here because this is only check NQ. But for ES, once it break out like this, when it arrives to here, then NQ will far outpace uh, the all-day high, the previous all-day high. So that's why I'm not setting take profit. We'll see. Oh, even this one, you get rejected. Some resistance here. But for ES, okay, this is the resistance. So I'm not surprised if it starts reverse here. So I'm not sure. Maybe I should take profit. Let me see. If it covers this one, and so cover this one, then I exit the profit. But if you one single candle triggers my stop loss, yeah, just leave the trade. But it seems from ES 5 minute, it's just sideway consolidation. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, keep going. That's what I see. Hmm. Oh, it looks like seller resumes already test the fair value gap something. Hmm. Order executed and it arrives at ENA9 again. So for ES, okay, for ES, it arrives at this. This ends up to be a resistance level. And this is like typical, like reverse setup. So should I go short here? Let me see. And I'll conclude a short term something because it's breakup and it's retest the sideway something. So I should probably like go long because it just break out. So this time I cannot set a limit order or something because I'm not sure because this looks like a retest, but I'm not sure where the retest is gonna go. Exceeds the ENA 9 or exceeds the or arrives at the ENA 21 or something. I don't know. So we'll see. So from ENA from 5 minute, yes. Yeah, this previous low is the retest. Who knows? I mean, even it reverse to the downside around here, I will not be surprised. And this is a typical. This is a typical downward. It looks like we have value defense here. You can try buy. Oh, we got trigger so fast. The seller want to push back something to retest the sideway, this line and ENA9, but ENA9 ends up to be a valid defense. So we resume our journey from here. And for ES, a new 5 minute, okay. It resumes as long as it covers this previous downward candle, then the uptrend resumes. Otherwise, it's probably like reverse. Let's see this candle. Let's see ENA9. Okay, approach ENA9 again. See if it's defense. See 5 minute chart. Yes. And 5 minute chart. Okay, ES is covering or trying to cover. Get rejected. Yeah, if it covers this upward candle covers the previous downward candle, the uptrend resumes. If it close to be this 5 minute candle close to be a downward candle, then probably like it's reverse. Then I need to quit. defense on the ENA 9 on 3-minute chart ENA 9. Looks like ENA 9 is effective. See this candle? Oh, no. So this 5-minute candle ends up to be a downward candle. See here. And possibly, let's wait for the completion of this 5-minute candle. It's 1 minute left. Oh, so the buyers finally reduce. See this 5-minute? Car is trying to cover again, reduce the uptrend. See, 5-minute. So we hold the trade. That's correct. 2-minute left for this 3-minute chart. But if we look at 5-minute, oops, this already covers and this only half. That's not good. That's not a good sign. That means NQ has downward momentum. Is that correct? But ES is moving upward. So not sure what to trust. Either like it keeps moving upward, NQ will follow, or they just want to go down. And this one is like because this is not breakout yet, so it's possible that NQ break out to the downside and ES follow. This is a difficult time. The reason we hold the trade is like we believe the ENA 9 is an effective defense, and it ends up to be, at least for now, so far, is effective. See, if somebody finish ENA 9, then probably we want to take the retest opportunity to leave the trade. Or we break out to the upside, the downside. Per minute, so this 3-minute chart ends, and let's see. Is it close above, underneath ENA 9 now? And ENA 9 is the defense. Buyers are defending ENA 9 or some other metrics, I don't know. To me, like ES is consolidating, and with this long shadow line, it has an intention to go up. Mm. Oh, buyers resume control of the market. Not easy. Okay, it looks like uptrend resume. Let's see when it falls back to here. At position. So this is covering. This is covering the previous downward candle for 5 minutes. Hmm? Is it double top and push back something? No. No way, don't treat me like this. 5 minutes, this 3 minute, 3 minute new candle, 5 minute new candle. Okay, start. And let's see this one. 5 minute, it continues to go up. It looks like this is accumulating consolidation. For NQ, it's like, oh, back test. Still want to retest ENA 9 again. But ENA 9 keeps rising. As ENA 9. So this is a resistance. So yeah, it makes sense. A lot of five something. And if you track trading something or limit order, there must be a lot here. You can see something something. A lot of battle here. For this line, it's straight up or down. So very few orders here. That's why the price actions trade so dramatically. Here it changes ENA 9. I need to be way more I need to be more patient to add position. Hmm. I think it's breakout and leave this consolidation area. So it's ENA 21. That's the final defense. What about 5 minutes? Oh, 5 minutes is still sideways. That's not a good place to enter a trade, especially for add position. God, what am I doing? Hmm, a little bit rush. Let's just look at yes. I hope there is no news. Oh, it continues to drop for this new 3 minute. That's not good. It does not exist ENI. Oh, it exists. Come on. Bias, please. Hmm. Accumulate some power and keep going up. Oh, nice. Finally, finally. Look at yes. It's going upward. But NQ is still sideways. So just be patient. I should wait until you retest ENA9 again, which is proved to be effective, and then add precision. If it break out, it does not retest, then wait for the next proven line to add position. I add a position here, which is far away from ENA9. That checks my average position too high, then that's a mistake. Too rush. So if you retest to ENA21, what now? Do I quit? If I don't quit, then the loss is too much. Damn. It looks like this is a consolidation and accumulates power to the upside. Consolidation. Hmm. Oh, yes. Yes, it's still consolidation. A lot of orders here, I can tell. And it even gets rejected here. So if you want to break out and continue the upside channel journey, yeah, there will be a lot of resistance. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Something changed. Oh, it's almost to the end, to the high end of the sideway, all day high. So I'm not surprised if we're gonna retest, but it looks like this is get rejected. So this is a healthy retest. It's not a reversal. Hmm. Will it challenge the all-day high? Sideways. It looks like it's slowly like higher and higher. Oh, it rejected here. It rejected here multiple times. So this is something that you can never exceed. Very strong resistance. And ES 5 minutes shows downward. Reversal. NK wants to go up, obviously. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, it shows some covering. So if yes, 5 minute covers previous upward, like close underneath here, then probably I should quit the trade. But no, is maybe you retest the yen and 9 again. But this is NQ. You already get rejected by yen and 9 and showing upward. Effective defense. Hmm. Um, okay, I guess the last 10 minutes I can try. It's not because I don't have patience. It's that I have other priorities I need to go for. So last 10 minutes, around 12:35. And I'll exit the trade. If I don't exit early on. Oh, yes, it's showing downward. God, God, you see a reversal? Hmm. It's still not break out from the consolidation area. It looks like it's trying, but gray resistance right here. But yes, for NK as well. But NK is like it's not easy to tell the resistance. It's aligning this one. But I saw it's something this one. Oh, this one is like another gray resistance. So it get rejected here multiple times and you eventually break out and trying to break out here, trying to break out here. Well, some things I don't expect like straight up to the moon after they break out this battlefield. This is another battlefield. Yeah, the price action gonna be struggle. Okay, yes, just retest the yen and 9 and keep moving. This is a good sign. Hmm. You never know when it break out. It could sideway, continue sideway for the long run, or it could reverse. So it's not easy to add position. It's not easy to increase position at this time. Every single increase position or enter a trade is risky. Add position equals to like enter another trade, something. Oh, it's still sideway. What about 3 minutes? 3 minutes? Okay, sideway. Uh, okay, ENA9 has already outpaced our entry price and is still effective defense. This is a good sign. Hmm. Yes, cannot break out this. As long as it does not break out, then there is a possibility it starts reverse. Especially we see this pattern. And we see now the ENA 9 leave the ENA 21 for bigger distance. So during this sideway something, I will not be surprised it starts reverse here. Mm. Oh, it looks like it starts to break out. It covers, okay, close above this line, close above this line. Great, great, keep going. Great, great. Keep going. I got 30 to 40 point and I will quit for this trade. Where is it? 640 and 665. Okay, 30 point. Okay. A breakout above this line. Oh, get rejected. So cannot conclude too early as long as it does not close above this line. So we'll see. 5 minutes. Pay until the completion, and then we'll set the stop loss here. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Get rejected? Oh no, ES is still breaking out. Hmm. Okay, resume. Add three more positions. Now it's 9 micro train, almost like a 1 mini train. It's big enough. So I'll be more cautious. But yes, looking good. It's still trying to break out. See, the overall market is going up. What's going on? Can you reach the all time, all day, all day high something? Oh, it can reverse anytime. I need to be cautious. Not looking good. For ES, it's breaking out. It's close up, not above that. So not sure. Look at this candle. Mm, it's possible it starts reverse here. Like disguise itself as a breakout and then reverse. And this way, this is a liquidity sweep. So let's look at this. If this ends up going down, then this is a liquidity. Then we need to quit quickly. Need to leave the trade quickly. But for ES, it's going up. So I don't see any downtrend holding the position. Oh, it looks like this is not looking good. It looks like it's reverse. Hey, hey, look at yen and I. But yes, it's like, oh, it's not breaking out, so it's possible it starts to reverse. Hmm. Let's see if we can hold this line. Buyers are defending around here. It now breaks out yen and I. See if yen and I is still effective. It's not looking good. I saw it does not cover, but yes, it's covering. So previously I thought, okay, this is slightly test, but now it looks like it's reverse. Oh, I probably need to. Let's see if we're holding yen at 21. Okay, if it holds, then I'll probably like add a small position. Oh, you rejected. You rejected. Let's see. Cannot add any position at this time because it looks like gonna retest. This is a deep retest or a potential reverse. See here. It is potential reverse. Let's see how it behave for yen. Oh, Jesus. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, very lucky. Let's see. Bias fight back. Okay. This is challenging my mental toughness. Really challenging my mental toughness. If it's retest here and if it covers this one, then the uptrend reduce. Otherwise, it cannot fight back. So this is a retest for the downtrend. But for NQ, this downward candle is huge. God. Yeah, this downward candle is huge. So downward momentum is huge. So I'm not sure. We have very big position at this time, lose 10 points, so cannot add position anymore. Wait for it come back. At this time, cannot assume that it's not a reverse. Maybe go down directly. Actually, if I'm not in a long position, then if I see this something, then I should go short at the peak of this because it has a high chance. See, the sideway continues, and this is the place that it continues sideway, bounce back. So I will see if it close underneath unit 21, then I probably need to flatten. 5 minutes, there are 2 minutes left. Let's see. For yes, it continues the downward. Hmm. Really, really like retest above. This is still a retest. No, it's not reverse. It's not resume uptrend. Keep pushing. 1 more minute. Looks like it's not like it can cover the whole downward candle. It's very struggle, very difficult to move up. Oh, for years, the retest is so weak. See if ENI becomes the new defense for the downtrend, bounce back things to the downside. But for ES, the ENA9 is still defending. For NQ, let's see. Oh, yes, bounce back. Okay, nice. Yeah, answer. This is a deep retest. Oh, God. Yes, bounce back. Okay, cover. Cover the downward candle. Okay, nice. Keep going. Oh, save my life. Oh, get rejected. Cannot cover it. It looks like this is just a retest to a previous support. Oh God. If you cannot close above this line, then does not verify the what's that? The upward reduce. Okay, keep going, keep going. Buyers resume control of the market. Finally. So actually in a uptrend, I should only enter into the market when it has some deep retest. This does not necessarily happen, but it happens a couple of times today. So we believe that today should happen another day. So and enter the long trade here. This is especially true when you just reverse from downward, like double top, not double top, is something like this. So this trend line defense ends up. This trend line is still valid and higher high. Oh, dangerous. Okay, keep going. Now, yes, yes, it's still get resisted. Oh, oh yes, shows downward. That's not good. Maybe I should quit. I should quit the trade. This looks like it's rejected. Things change so quickly. It's still uptrend, but resistance fighting here. Oh, what's going on? News? Is there any news? Something? Volatility becomes very big. See? Hmm. And so this trend line is effective, but this volatility is big. Not sure. Oh, it goes down. But yes, it goes down. It's going down. This is consultative entry. And if yes, yeah, this is answer to be downward. Reverse cup and keep downward. But yes, it's more something that get resisted by this level. For NQ, okay, get resisted by this all-day high and keep pushing down. CES. Oh, I have some revenge trading. The position is too big. See, here is more obvious that this is a reverse cup, something. So, that's what, not sure where it will go. Maybe here, maybe here. I don't know. I will probably use a 5-minute trading stop loss. Curve. Oh, there is some resistance here. So maybe bounce back. But yes, shows strong downward momentum. Yeah, this is a back test. So resume the downtrend. Oh, it looks like something happened. Oh, just a flash. It was here. God, something happened. Our momentum is huge. Retest ENA 9. Now we're gonna keep going down sideways and consolidate and keep going down. And let this ENA 9 cross the ENA 21 and then retest ENA 9. This is like pretty confident. We'll ride this. So now entry price is like ENA 9. Oh no. Retest ENA 21. For years, you'll see divergence. Ah, but wait a minute. For years, oh, what's going on? Break out and something here and retest and get back. No, let's see 30 minutes. So I'm not surprised if it resumes something like this. 56. Oh, yes, shows not a strong fight back, but NQ shows some fight back. NQ still wants to go up. Retest ENA 9 and reduce. Okay, so you retest ENA 9. And ES keep going down. Right. Keep going down. 3 minutes left. ES keep going down. So NQ should follow. This downward momentum is huge. Okay, ES keep going down. Fair enough. I just need to pay attention when you arrive this line. You will bounce back down here. Breakout, retest trend line, and resume. Go. I'm gonna resume. Come on. Last minute. Oh, you gonna resume? That's not good. Let's see. Yes. Something happened. Is there any news? Yeah, yes, it's keep going down. Hey, yes, it's keep going down. Hey, NQ should follow. Hey, the market close, right? Last minute, NQ bounce, yes, bounce back. Or then it seems like it's accumulating power consolidate. It's not like bounce back. But yes, it's great downward momentum. NQ, yes, keep going down. Hmm. Mhm. This is already aftermarket. Why there is so? Oh, I missed my other priority. It's just this chart is like, okay, when it arrives like 600 again, I'll flatten. Okay, it seems like I still revenge. I lost one trade here. This great momentum to the up downside happened. Then I should steal this downtrend and take the retest opportunity to quit the trade. But I do not, so I lose one trade. And Yeah, if I not in the long trade, then when I see this, I should figure out, okay, it's downtrend, this trend reversal happens. Then uh I should like do a short trade somewhere when you retest. It's like when I was in a position, then I have some bias towards the trending. Then I cannot objectively observe and make decision on the price action. So that's the lesson I learned. So overall, trade copy no, trade dom no, broker portfolio okay. The oh, it's not above 600. God damn. I lost 300. I should make like 60 or $70 for this trade. 180, two, almost like 300, like, and this one, yeah, more than 500. I'm happy. 500 per day. I'm still happy. Oh, let me see. No. Okay, that's so much for today.